The National Blood Transfusion Center has attained standard recertification from the South African Bureau of Standards, which merit has been achieved by only 3 African countries. Speaking at the meeting organized thereof yesterday in Asmara, Ms. Amna Nur Hussain, Minister of Health, pointed out that such accomplishments could be registered thanks to the commitment of the workers of the Blood Transfusion Center and collaboration of the Swiss Red Cross. Mr. Martin Führer, head of International Department at the Swiss Red Cross headquarters, expressed satisfaction with the fostering relations of collaboration with the National Blood Transfusion Center. He also noted the global endeavors being made to guarantee safe blood transfusion in addition to Eritrea's exemplary quality management system to this end. Ms. Sylvia Forilker, qualified Swiss Red Cross delegate, voiced satisfaction with her tour of duty in Eritrea and the company of the National Blood Transfusion Center workers. She went on to wish further success for the nation. Such convincing result, which implies that Eritrea has ensured supply of safe blood for the coming 3 years, has enabled it to surpass similar accomplishments by Mauritius and Zimbabwe, reports indicate.